Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's just ignore my setup for now. I'm trying to work on it, trying to make it better. So it's definitely still in the works right now because I don't have like a set camera setup yet. I have my new camera, but I literally like pull out my tripod and set everything up in front of my desk and hook it up to my OBS to record in OBS because I don't even have a memory card yet or an SD card because I lost it. So yeah, it's a little bit all over the place right now, but we are trying our best. So today's video is going to be about 10 things that you may or may not have known about Twitch. Basically, 10 fun facts, and let's get into it. So the first fun fact about Twitch is that you actually cannot live stream longer than 48 hours consecutively. Your live broadcast will end and automatically restart at the 48-hour mark. I learned this when I did an 81-hour stream because it did reset my stream 48 hours in. I was asleep though, but people in chat just told me that it reset. I thought that I would have to manually turn it back on, but that wasn't the case. So when you see those streamers doing those extremely long subathons, going for days and days on end, yes, their stream is resetting every 48 hours. Also, let's just ignore my pimple patch right here, okay? We're just not gonna talk about it, but my makeup is really cute today. The second fun fact about Twitch is that before it was twitch.tv, it was actually a site called justin.tv. Started in about 2007, where Justin Khan literally went and live streamed his life 24/7. It later got rebranded and repackaged as the Twitch we know today, but I thought it was really interesting that he was so dedicated to his craft that he was willing to live stream his life for that long. And mind you, again, I did do an 81-hour stream. I've done very long streams. That is exhausting. Third, mod is actually not the highest power you can get in somebody's stream. There is a role called editor that actually has more power than a mod. And you can be both a mod and an editor. So an editor can edit stream info, run commercial breaks, set clip restrictions, edit video info, start reruns, download VODs, and a lot more roles that I will stick up here. Whereas a mod can time out and ban users, they can start polls and start predictions, and they can turn on emote only or sub only or follower only chat. Fourth fun fact, most Twitch partners actually have a 50-50 sub split. Or the way the sub splits work for Twitch partners, and I didn't know this until I became a partner myself, is that generally most partners get 50-50 on tier 1, 60-40 on tier 2, and 70-30 on tier 3 subs. I always thought that most streamers were just able to contact Twitch and ask for a higher split revenue on the tier 1 and tier 2 subs, but that actually wasn't the case after myself becoming a Twitch partner and talking to other Twitch partners that I know. They're very stingy in giving out those higher splits. Fifth fun fact, 35% of Twitch viewers are actually Twitch mobile users, as in they're watching streams currently on their phone or mobile device. I thought that was a huge statistic because I thought most people were just watching from their computers, like me. So knowing this, just a little note, make sure that you make your streams mobile accessible. So you're not adding super fine or tiny text to your streams, and that you're not streaming in 1080p if you don't have access to the transcoder. Partners are guaranteed the transcoder, affiliates get second take at it, and non-affiliates get the last shot at getting a transcoder. So if you're streaming at 1080p and you don't actually have the transcoder, people cannot downscale your streams, which means somebody on their little phone trying to watch with kind of poo-poo Wi-Fi is not going to be able to downscale your stream if their internet and their phones can't handle it, and you will lag for them. More accessible resolutions are streaming in 720p or 936p. 6. You can unlock up to 100 VIP badges by completing Twitch achievements. The achievements is called Getting Chatters Talking or something along the lines of that, in which you get X amount of people talking in your stream at one specific moment in time. So with 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, and 200 chatters at one time going consecutively, you can unlock the respective 20, 30, 40, 50, 80, and 100 VIP badges. Kind of backtracking on the VIP and the editor stuff, you can be VIP and an editor, but you cannot be VIP and a mod simultaneously. That was fact number 7. I'm kind of losing track. I believe this is fact number 8. But subbing to a streamer on Twitch Mobile actually costs you more money than subbing on your PC. When you sub on your PC, you just link up your PayPal or credit card, and in the US, it costs $5. However, if you were to do it on mobile, you can't just link up your card to buy the sub. You have to purchase something called sub tokens And the value conversion basically makes a sub $6 on mobile. Hi, editing cat here. I didn't realize they got rid of sub tokens, but it's still $6. Fun fact number 9, if you go to your creator dashboard, it shows you a very interesting piece of data. You can actually see how many times people use a certain emote in your stream. I thought that was just really cute to go figure out which emotes were the most popular, but I honestly wasn't surprised by my number 1 emote. And the very last fun fact, to start a hype train, you can choose the level of difficulty that viewers need to go and complete in order to start it, going by easy, medium, hard, super hard, and insane. All of these requirements involve at least 2 or more people spending money in your stream. And by money, I mean purchasing subs or cheering, basically money within Twitch. However, if you were to go and gift a sub and then gift another sub yourself anonymously, the anonymous sub gifted counts as a second person, so you can actually start the hype train by yourself without requiring a second person to also spend money. I just thought that was very interesting, and I myself have started a hype train in other people's streams with just 2 people because their requirement was 3. So yeah, if you found any of these fun facts interesting, then that means I did a good job, and that means you should like and subscribe. But let me know in the comment section what of these fun facts you knew and which ones you didn't know. Like, how many did you get off this list? Because a lot of these I learned only like 3 years into my Twitch career, which was insane. Also, a little bit of a fun fact, again, your girl is starting a Patreon, or at this point it's already been going on, but if you do want like streaming advice, stuff like that, feel free to check out my Patreon for it, or there's also free options for the exact same thing in my stream if you just farm up enough channel points. Your girl streams 4 days a week on Twitch, and I'd love to see you there or to catch you in another video. Peace!